How to live stream mobile games on TikTok. So before that, you're gonna put in mind that you do need to access or be eligible for live first. So to check, you can just go ahead into the plus button over here, which is your camera. Go ahead into your live and press on learn more near the practice now button. So to go live, you need these requirements. So once you have that settled, you can go ahead and finally stream your mobile games. So you should be able to see the device camera here on the bottom. Just go ahead and switch to mobile gaming. So at that point, once you press on go live, you will be asked to choose your topic. So like Roblox or Minecraft, depending on what game you're playing, of course. And then you're gonna have to choose your video settings right after you broadcast your actual screen. So after you've done everything, your settings and whatnot, and you're ready, just go ahead and press on the go live button again, and you should be able to stream your mobile games on TikTok Live. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.